instead of resting and retiring of old age sevamwe zvaifadza njere dzakule vangu zvinhu 2. Number 1, politics. Number 2, vakadzi vevanhu. Ndakambovaudza kuti vasiyane nazvo zvinhu izvi, but kule wangu munhu wenharo manje. Now he's missing, and here I am making a police report trying to find out what took him first. Pazuva randaifanira kunge ndakazorora padeni kana ndimiyo.
My name is Officer Mchaya Matako. How can I help you this afternoon?
Sorry, Officer Mchaya.
Yanga, do you have a hearing problem? I said Officer Mchaya Matako.
Sorry, ndenge ndauya kudepartment risiriro. Kuno kunenge kwema-rape cases, handiti?
No, unfortunately, I changed departments. For your information, I used to work there na Mukwira na Manyingavana tichisolve my cases rape. Don't try to be funny, naika. Chitaura zvawanyatsofambira ndokurumidza. Sanda kusama sales for wasting my time.
Okay, ndauya kuzoripota nyaya yerape. Sorry, missing person. Sekuru vangu vane nguva vasinodzwa kumba.
Okay, what is his name, surname, age, and last place of presence?
Okay, Kule Mika, aged years. I last saw him 2 days ago, but I kind of road debate. I haven't seen him since. Saka ndauya kuzoripota.
Oh, uyu mudhara wekuda kuita mayor.
Exactly.
Okay, leave your contact details. I'll get back to you as soon as I get any leads. I will be personally working on this issue, and I will give you updates as soon as there are any. Pachine chimwe chauri kuda?
No, asingoti mufarise Manyingavana naMukwirwa.
Varume pachirungu vanotivo, let's cut to the chase now. I am sure we are all aware of the reason why we are meeting here today. Though things did not go according to plan, I am proud of the work you did. It's safe to say that it's because of you that I'm sitting in this office today. And for that sole reason, I am going to pay you handsomely for your services and silence about this matter. Is that clear?
Crystal clear, chef. Semaonero angu pakaoma papera. Chikaru chava chenyu icho. That's all that matters.
Kupera. Zvinhu zvazvina kupera, chef.
Iye Mika wacho ari kutine zvakaitika izvi. What if he mobilizes all his fans and supporters? What if his supporters complain and the top officials find out? Then we'll all be fired and arrested for this blunder. Takariga ma results, chef. That is not a minor offense. Indaona jere. Jere, chef.
I will castrate you. Kaita dzongwewe. Jere rekuita sei. What do you take me for? Nezero rangu iri, I know what I'm doing. The police informed me in confidence that Mika has since been reported missing a couple of days ago. They are coming to give me feedback about the investigation as we speak. Wanzwa, do you have any more silly insinuations to add?
No, chef. Urikiro chef mwangu yanomboputa chitonge dzisimo. Musamuteedzere. Anyway, ko mari yebasa yamamuri kuti taura nezvayo iyi. Tiri kupiwa nhasi here kana kuti?
Correct. I couldn't keep the money here since I wasn't sure of my tenure in office. So mari ndakaichengetesa mai kumba. It's on its way here as we speak. In fact, Wandatuma should be here by now. I wonder what's keeping him. Come in. Wonderful. Avashika. Maswera sei, chef? Yes, kokagoita kunge hauna chawakabata wani. Mika aripi. Mamwana iri. Yeah, pane kanyaya, chef. Kanyaya kei futi. It's a long story, chef. Let me explain the sequence of events with the motions. As you know, Mika has been missing since the day before the announcement of the elections. Because of that, I conducted a series of investigations and interviews to find out his whereabouts. And, Zhukadi, after his grandson reported him missing, I interviewed a couple of people within the area who might have an idea of Mika's whereabouts. Namely, his secret lover who goes by the name Mike Heavy Mike Kevy's son, who goes by the name Kevido or Kevy. None of them had anything fruitful to add to the investigations of the whereabouts of Kulemika. Interestingly enough, Mike Kevy suggested that I interview a particular clergyman of Mika's church named Pastor Popeye, who was responsible for Mike Kevy and Kulemika's breakup. Popeye, I'm sure I've heard that name before. Yes, Pastor Popeye anopinda Cash Money Ministries. Iripa kona Facebook na Instagram avenue. Yeah, ndo chechi inopinda vadzimai vangu iwe. Go on. Pastor Popeye was a hard nut chef, but I cracked him with the assistance of my superior detective Muchipisi. Akataura zvose. He revealed Kulemika's rendezvous, and I went there only to find nothing but a plane ticket receipt destined for the Bahamas. Unondoudze, so Mika is no longer in the country. This is good news. There's more, chef. I went to your house to collect the money, but what? I also found the same plane ticket receipts destined for the Bahamas, kumba kwenyu, and your wife wasn't there.